Where are you going? Oren, Mommy can't keep up with you, bud. Slow down. What? What do you see back there? Trees? Trees? That's all I see. That's not yours. That's not yours. Keep going. Hey, buddy. Boy. Hey, that's not yours. It's not yours, honey. You have a four-wheeler at home. That's not yours. You better get on your bike. Look at that bike. Beep? Honey, that's not yours though. Look, you have your own. Look, you have a bell. Can you ring the bell? Other way, buddy. Other way. You gotta ring it with the other hand. See? Those aren't yours. Come on, get on your bike. Let's go. Here we go. Thank you. Ring your bell. Ring your bell. Oren. Please. Seriously, you have to go in the water? Can you ring your bell for Mom? Hey. Ring your bell. Ring your bell for Mom. That's disgusting. Ring the bell. Good job. Okay, let's go. Here we go. Come on. Your foot is all wet. That's gross. Are you squishing your foot in there? That's gross. That's what happens when you get it wet. Come on, Stink. Come on. Ciao. Ciao. Ciao, baby. Oren. Hey.
Are you too down there?